continuation. Next one is hydration of alkenes, very important. Hydration of alkynes. So now we know that hydration of alkene means addition of H plus and OH minus ions. It follows the Markovnikov product. For example, now this is the alkene reaction hydration, it gives the tertiary alcohols. At the same time, now terminal alkynes it will give in presence of H2SO4 as a catalyst. It follows the Markovnikov product, so the enolic form and ketone will form. So this is the keto form and enolic form, and this is the keto and enol. So the rapidly tautomerize to produce the so we know that the rapid tautomerization of this phenolic compounds, and it will give the so different keto enol tautomerism. And very so warfarin is a blood training drug, is a very important blood clotting reagent, so very important. You can see now it is a enolic form and converted into keto form. So very important reaction in this one is that, so you can see this is the terminal alkynes is there in presence of H2SO4 and H2O mercuric sulfate as a catalyst. So it will follow a two types of regioisomers, but now these two are follows the Markovnikov product. So the lack of regiochemical control renders this process significantly so less useful. It is most often used for the hydration of terminal alkynes. So the terminal alkynes generates the methyl ketones as the product. For example, very important, you can see now this is the terminal acetylene, H2SO4 as a catalyst, and mercuric sulfate 1% followed by hydrolysis, it will follow ketone. And you can see in presence of H2SO4, ketones are the so these are the different examples you can see here. And at the same time, next reaction is hydroboration oxidation of alkynes, and now this is the alkenes. We know that hydroboration it gives the alcohols, whereas the alkynes also observed under a similar process. For example, this is the alkyne, so now BH3 it will follow OH and aldehydes. Please remember that. So hydroboration aldehydes, terminal alkynes gives the aldehydes, whereas terminal alkynes by using of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid as a catalyst, hydration gives the ketone. So this is the disamyl borane and 9-BBN, these are the reagents. So and another important, so this is also disamyl borane, also one of the important hydroboration oxidation reaction of alkyne, it gives the aldehydes. And draw the major product of the each of the following reactions. You can see by using of 9-BBM, alkynes convert into aldehydes, terminal alkynes, here also terminal alkynes, disamyl borane means it is aldehyde. You can see here now it is a triple bond is there, but it is cyclic system, dialkyl borane, oxidation and hydrolysis, ketone, and these are the different examples of alkynes converted into aldehydes. So very important examples. And very important, this slide is regiochemistry of alkyne hydration, regiochemistry. So now alkynes is there, H2SO4 means ketone, same alkyl borane means it is a terminal alkynes produces the terminal, so now same this one, and it gives the aldehydes, very important. So this is the very important. So now here terminal alkyne is there, H2SO4 as a catalyst, so it gives the ketone. And this is the another example of alkyne is there, and it is converted into a ketone. And another nice example you can see, this is the terminal alkyne, hydroboration reaction, it produces aldehydes. And so how to prepare, for example, this is the vicinal dihalogens by using of excess sodamide in liquid ammonia, loses of HBr, and it gives the alkynes. So another important reaction is that ozonolysis of alkynes, when treated with ozone followed by under the alkynes undergo oxidation. So very important, it produces carboxylic acid. Please remember, Oxidation of alkynes, no need any metal catalyst. Directly ozonolysis H2O, it gives the carboxylic acids. So when a terminal alkynes undergoes oxidation, cleavage the terminal bond, and one of the is the carboxylic acid, another one is the carbon dioxide. Please remember that this is the a terminal alkyne ozonolysis, it gives the one is the carboxylic acid and carbon dioxide. If is a methyl is there, so methyl CH3COOH, and here so carboxylic acids are the very important. This is the a cyclic cyclooctane. So ozonolysis, it will give the 1,8 cyclohexanoic acid. So these are the very important reactions of alkynes.